Quaker Oats, a name that's become a staple in households around the world. Known for its wholesome and hearty breakfast options, this brand has long been synonymous with healthy living and innovation. But how did Quaker Oats rise to become such an iconic name? Let's dive into its fascinating origins and how Quaker Oats is made. In 1877, the Quaker Mill Company was established in the small town of Ravenna, Ohio, laying the foundation for one of America's most enduring brands. The name Quaker was chosen by Henry Seymour, one of the company's founders. He believed the image of a Quaker reflected values like integrity, honesty, and purity, qualities he wanted the brand to embody. Though the company started small, it had a big mission: to bring consistent, high-quality products to American households. This mission gained momentum in 1881 when Henry Parsons Crowell, a visionary businessman, acquired the company. Crowell revolutionized the industry by launching the first-ever national campaign for breakfast cereals. This bold move positioned Quaker Oats as a trusted brand and made it a household name. In 1901, a major milestone was reached. Several oatmeal producers merged to form the Quaker Oats Company, solidifying its place as a leader in the industry. One of the company's most memorable innovations came in 1915, the introduction of Quaker Oats' iconic cylindrical packaging. Not only did it help keep the oats fresh, but it also made the product instantly recognizable on store shelves, a marketing triumph. The 1920s marked an era of innovation. Quaker introduced Quick Oats, making breakfast preparation faster and easier for busy families. They also embraced emerging technology, using radio advertisements to promote their products, a groundbreaking move at the time.
Oatmeal can help reduce your cholesterol, and oatmeal, of course, has no sodium.
As Quaker Oats grew, so did its ambitions. Over the decades, the company expanded its product lineup and diversified its portfolio.
We're the most useful protein ever in a ready-to-eat cereal. Where in life?
This growth culminated in 2001 when PepsiCo acquired Quaker Oats for an astounding $14 billion, integrating the brand into a global powerhouse. Quaker also became known for its iconic advertising campaigns. Who could forget Wilford Brimley's warm and trustworthy face in those commercials, encouraging families to choose Quaker Oats for a healthier lifestyle?
Spoonful at a time. Quaker oatmeal. It's the right thing to do.
In 1971, the company made a surprising move by financing Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory movie with $3 million, tying its brand to a beloved cultural phenomenon.
I wish I could make my own candy.
Yeah! Captain Crunch speaking.
Quaker Oats have gone to outer space as part of astronaut meal packets and to both the North and South Poles with explorers Robert Peary and Richard Byrd, respectively. The oats have even climbed Mount Everest, carried by climbers who need a nutrition boost. Today, Quaker Oats operates on a global scale, with its headquarters in Chicago and major facilities in Peterborough, Ontario. The company also expands its products by using other variety of cereal grains such as rice, barley, corn, all while staying true to its roots of quality and innovation. The journey begins in vast oat fields, primarily located in Canada and Iowa. Quaker partners with around 400 farmers as part of its direct growers program, ensuring high-quality oats. This program provides for nearly 50% of the oats used by Quaker. After harvest, the oats are transported to Quaker's state-of-the-art milling facilities in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Peterborough, Canada, Fife, Scotland, and Beijing, China. Cedar Rapids is the crown jewel, processing over 2 million pounds of oats daily and employing 740 people in a facility with 13 floors. Before processing begins, the oats undergo rigorous testing in Quaker's proprietary grading labs. These tests ensure they meet the Quaker standard, evaluating moisture levels, beta-glucan content for heart health benefits, and are inspected for impurities like frost damage or sprouting before they are processed into products. Once approved, the oats enter the milling process. Quaker Mill has an industry-leading proprietary process for producing gluten-free oats. First, they are cleaned to remove any natural elements. The outer hulls are separated and repurposed for renewable energy and animal feed, ensuring no part of the oat goes to waste. The inner groats then go through a unique kilning process where enzymes are deactivated and moisture is removed to prevent spoilage. This step also gives Quaker oats their distinct toasted flavor. Depending on the product, the groats are processed further. Old-fashioned oats are rolled into thin flakes, making them quick to cook and ideal for baking. Steel-cut oats are chopped into small, chewy pieces, perfect for hearty breakfasts. Quick oats are steamed, rolled, and cut into smaller pieces, making them fast and easy to prepare. Instant oats are finely ground and pre-cooked, ready in minutes with just hot water or milk. The finished oats are cooled and packaged in eco-friendly containers, including paperboard canisters and single-serving packets, designed to minimize environmental impact. Quaker uses 100% whole grain oats, which are a rich source of nutrients, rich in beta-glucan to help lower cholesterol and contain lots of fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. It also promotes satiety, helps control appetite, and effectively manage weight. Here's how you can enjoy them. For a classic breakfast or a base for cookies, muffins, or granola bars, try Quaker old-fashioned oats. Simply cook them on the stove over medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they reach the perfect consistency. Looking for a hearty, chewy texture? Quaker steel-cut oats are the way to go. Bring water or milk to a boil, stir in the oats, and let them simmer uncovered on low heat for 20–30 minutes. The result? A creamy, satisfying bowl of oatmeal. Busy morning? Quaker Quick Oats are ready in no time. On the stove, boil water or milk, add the oats, and cook for just 1 minute, stirring occasionally. Prefer the microwave? Combine ingredients in a microwave-safe bowl and heat on high for 1–2 minutes. Quick, easy, and delicious. For the ultimate convenience, try Quaker Instant Oatmeal. Empty the packet into a microwave-safe bowl, add 3/4 cup of water or milk. Stir and microwave on high for 60–75 seconds. Let it stand for a couple of minutes before serving, and you're ready to go. Quaker Oats are more than just breakfast, they're the secret ingredient in thousands of recipes. Simple yet versatile, they're easy to adapt to any occasion, from everyday snacks to show-stopping dishes. From breakfast to dinner, from sweet to savory, Quaker Oats have been a trusted staple for over a century. Packed with nutrition, versatility, and flavor, they're the perfect ingredient to fuel your day and inspire your creativity in the kitchen. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories, tips, and recipes from the world of Quaker Oats. See you next time.